If you look at the Patent Office of India, and let's say for the year 2017-2018, you will find that ISRO had filed at that point in time only 14 patents with the Indian Patent Office. And that number is abysmally low, especially for an agency that we so look up to. Now, by emphasizing that ISRO is only going to focus more on R&D, which was not the case in 2017 and 2018, we should expect that the number of patents filed from ISRO laboratories will increase tremendously. I also would like to congratulate the Department of Space because internally they have taken a lot many steps to increase their R&D footprint. So they have set up new incubators in different regions of the country. So you will find new space incubators coming up in National Institute of Technologies, in various central universities, state universities, and this will have a multiplier effect in terms of the IP that is generated. So a lot of academia industry interface, a lot of academia ISRO interface, a lot of ISRO industry interface is going to cumulatively bring a massive churn in the number of patents that are filed. And we are not here only talking about the number of patents, but it is also about the quality of patents.
Yeah.
Because a country like India, which is now to become perhaps the second or the third largest economy on the planet, we have to really up our game. And when I say up our game, what I mean is we have to focus on increasing the quality of our patents and make sure that whatever IP is generated is getting commercialized really fast, because that then has trickle down effects on the quality of employment that you generate, on the GDP numbers, and also on the next generation indices that will surpass GDP. So it could be happiness index or whatnot. So or overall human development index. So we want to make sure that ISRO plays a major role in achieving these intangible goals. So there are a lot of expectations, and with ISRO giving the R&D charge fully, I'm pretty sure that we'll see a really positive difference in the next 6 to 7 years.